When the Ontario government announced its new regulations for auto insurance in the province, a key change is the reduction of medical and rehabilitation expenses from $100,000 to $50,000. ILStv spoke with Brenda Hollingsworth, a personal injury lawyer with Ottawas Auger Hollingsworth. Brenda, what effect will this reduction in medical and rehab expenses have on accident victims in Ontario?
I think it'll have a very significant impact on people who are seriously injured but not automatically deemed catastrophically injured. So those are, people who have serious orthopedic injuries but who, for example, aren't automatically quadriplegic or paraplegic. So those people, there's a very real risk that they will run out of their medical rehabilitation benefits before they can apply for catastrophic benefits at 2 years. So that's concern number one. Concern number two is I have many clients with injuries who, by the time if your injury has a psychological component, and so you're getting psych treatment and physio treatment and occupational therapy treatment, home modifications, for example, if you have to raise or lower counters, or make changes in your washroom to accommodate your disability or get a stair lift, all of those things come out of this pot, and $50,000 over 10 years just won't go that far.
In addition to the reduction in available benefits, the new regulations also affect assessments. Is this right?
Well, that's right. Well, one of the changes that they've made, in addition to reducing the amount, is that they are going to include the cost of insurer assessments in the victim's pot. So right now, if the insurer chooses to do an assessment of the injured person, that comes out of the insurer's pocket, not the policy limits for the injured person. But the proposals that we received suggest that that money is going to come out of the insured person's pot. That can really add up. I have a client right now who has spent about $20,000 in med rehab benefits and about $17,000 in assessments. So it wouldn't, if she were under the new regime, she'd almost be out of benefits, and she's got a long road to hoe in her rehabilitation.
Brenda, the government did say that people will have the opportunity to purchase $100,000 or even $1 million in medical and rehabilitation benefits if they choose. Do you think this will help?
Well, historically, people have not purchased extra accident benefits. There are top-up accident benefits that are currently available, and I understand that a very low percentage of the population buy them. So, if insurers price them fairly and reasonably, and if brokers are educated and are able to communicate to people the need to buy these benefits, maybe some people will buy them. But the fact is that the people who need these benefits, people who don't have extended health care, have low-paying jobs, and don't have large savings, they're the people who need the high medical rehab benefits in the event of an accident. And they're the people in the worst position to buy optional benefits. They're the people who are always going to opt for the least expensive insurance option.
Brenda, thanks very much for your thoughts on these new regulations. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.